I made a little iced coffee today, and I added a little bit of this caramel creamer in it that I bought from a brand Milk, which actually had really good ingredients. It's made with coconut sugar. It's really good. It almost tastes like a little treat. I normally don't add a lot of sweeteners to my coffee, but you know, today was one of those days. Welcome to another video. Today I want to share another kind of day in my life. I am leaving to Japan tomorrow, so it's going to be pretty busy today, just with packing and kind of organizing everything. And also it's Monday today. Lucky me. Basically how I usually schedule out my schedule, I kind of like to batch things together and like time block. I try to use my Mondays for all my calls, so I touch base with the team, I touch base with Lauren, my manager, touch base with any clients. And obviously this is not always working because sometimes, you know, calls I have to take on different days, but in general Mondays is just behind my computer and taking a lot of calls and just doing like some editing work and things like that. I have a call right now for a really exciting project. I think I've kind of like dropped a couple hints here and there for Soulsing Body that there are a lot of things changing, and with that we are doing a big rebrand. We had never really done a strong like branding. While the company is evolving, the brand is evolving, we in future want to add more products like homeware and cookware and maybe, you know, like activewear. And I think we got to a point now where we're like, okay, this is something we really want to take on with this big change. Like now is the moment. So we've been working with an agency here in LA, and this is the part that I love so much. It's like the creative part of it. I don't know, I don't want to spill too much, but you know that I am such a neutral girly. Like I love my neutrals. In my home, I usually wear like neutral style clothes and stuff, but I wanted something a little bit more outstanding and something more new. I feel a lot of the Pilates things are all in like neutrals. So we added quite a pop of color, and I don't know, it feels almost a little weird, but I think it is so cool. It's so strong and I love it. So today in the meeting, we're gonna go over some visual direction because we're gonna have our shoot in a couple weeks after I come back from Japan. So we just want to make sure to prepare and like have everyone on the same page of like what the new direction is going to be. So I am really excited for this, and it's also really nice to work with other creatives on this, and they've been honestly the best. So cannot wait to show that to you very soon, hopefully. I am gonna hop on the call right now, and then I have a few more calls, some packing, and just loads of stuff today. In this new style of photography, we were kind of wondering if that's the right direction. So Sophie, if you want to share that document. So we kind of think about use of like color photos and stuff, so carrots and greens and what we think. Okay, this is lunch of today. We just ordered some quick sweet green. This is the harvest bowl. Oh, they already mixed it. I did with quinoa, chicken, apples, sweet potato, and it's like a balsamic dressing. It's usually really good. So it'll be lunch. Sometimes they have, sweet green has this arugula that is very stringy, like this.
Yeah, it's like a tree.
It's like, yeah, you choke, or I choke sometimes a little on it. Besides that, we love sweet green. Guys, if you're ever gonna go to sweet green, this is my go-to order. I will order this all year long, even in summer. The harvest bowl is my jam. So good. Is it good? They have a lot of furniture stuff. I have never been to Roseville, and I'm dying. It's very overwhelming. That is so loud. It is 3:30 and I am craving a matcha so bad. I honestly need a little energy. I sometimes still get a question if I still drink coffee, and I sometimes do because I love the taste of coffee, but I usually do that in the morning. I don't have coffee in the afternoon because I just really feel how that impacts my sleep and my body and all of that. So I always opt for matcha because there's still a little caffeine in matcha, but it has an amino acid called L-theanine. L-theanine gives that body a really nice zen feeling. It helps slow down the absorption of caffeine into your body. So it's a natural amino acid in matcha, and that's I feel matcha so special that it does give you that energy boost, but not like any energy drink or coffee and then you get a crash. It's really that like sustainable energy, which we love. So you can see how beautiful green it is. This means it's super fresh and it has an amazing froth on it, which means it's like really good quality. It almost has this like crema on top. So stunning. This brings a joy of happiness. I honestly kind of ruined it for myself because I never drink matcha when not at home or non-cafe partners, because it just really tastes so bad. They use such bad quality, or they use so much milk that I can barely taste the matcha, and I'm like, now I'm drinking just a cup of milk. But this is really good. I add a little pistachio milk to it, so it has a little natural sweetness and it's like perfect for the afternoon. We actually never have discounts on our matcha, but I obviously do have a code for you. You can use Sanne 15 on Nekohama, so I'm gonna link that down below as well. So good. And I know there's been so many questions about our matcha kits, and they're coming back in stock. They're on the way right here, and I know it took a little bit of wow, but you will get the full set with like the whisk and the bowl and the spout and just the whole thing, and it's coming very, very soon. But it's really cool to see how in Europe also I feel the matcha game is like really stepping up. I feel so many more cafes offer matcha now, which I think is truly incredible. I feel even in Asia it's like becoming, I mean obviously in some countries already it's like really big, but more in like bubble tea and desserts and stuff, but more as a little coffee in the afternoon. But I'm gonna enjoy this a little before I have so much stuff to do. Okay, I got a package yesterday, an order from Forward. On my last Paris trip, I got new loafers and I actually wore them so much. I feel it's kind of a little bit dressier than wearing, I guess, sneakers all the time, and also not wearing boots because I feel boots are kind of heavy to travel with. So I ordered new loafers from Saint Laurent. Once with Julia the stylist I put all my looks out here, I also realized that 90% of my shoes are black, and I don't really buy or get light shoes, even though I wear a lot of like cream colors. And one of the reasons for that is when I wear dark clothes you just really see Katsu's hair, and I feel that's always the issue people have with golden retrievers. It's like his shedding, but I don't really notice it because my apartment is very cream color, and then my clothing too, so then I just don't see his hair, so it doesn't bother me. But yeah, I think I used to wear a lot more black when I was living in New York. I feel it's just more the vibe, but I wanted something more cream for like cream looks, so let's unbox this. I feel when it comes to splurging on designer stuff or investing in your style, I think it's something that I've been really working on lately, is creating more of a capsule wardrobe. Once I'm back from Japan, I really want to go through the closet and really get rid of so much stuff, because I even feel when I look into my closet now, it doesn't 100% represent me, if that makes sense. Like, I would not look at the closet and be like, that's my style. I do always believe if you're investing in certain pieces that it should be in good bags and in good shoes, because you can really see and feel the quality in the leather and the goods, and then you can maybe like style it with like a piece from, you know, Zara or COS or something. But if you can, I invest in good shoes. So I got these from Saint Laurent. They are like this beige leather, and then they're all like scrunched on top, and I really like these with, I don't know, jeans, or I've even styled them with like shorter pants. And I think these are really nice with kind of like lighter look outfit. Let me put them on. Of course I'm wearing a dark look right now to showcase them, but we're gonna be packing up a little bit more. I do always like packing in little capsule packages. I just get the ones from Amazon that I will show you quickly. These are the packing cubes that I use. I will link these down below. They're just so helpful, and it just keeps everything very organized, and I can kind of see what goes in where. So packing this up. I'm on the way quickly to a meeting, so Max super last minute was like, hey Sanne, can you come to check out this cafe space? So we've been dreaming of opening up a Oklahoma cafe somewhere, but I don't know if we're seriously looking, but we're just really trying to see what a good space would be. Like, we're not actively looking, but there are a couple spaces that have just come on our path here in LA and in Tokyo, and just also so many different locations. But it would be really one of our dreams to, oh, this is Max, open up an Oklahoma cafe. Hello. Wait, hold on, where am I? Oh, yeah, I see you guys. I'm coming. But yeah, this would be, oh wow, this is gorgeous. I mean, look at this garden. It's brand new, it's no offices yet. Can't believe that I'm sharing this in the vlog. It would be pretty amazing. What are you thinking?
What am I thinking? I'm sweating because I'm thinking about the amount of work that this is gonna take up, and the fact that I took this meeting means that I'm probably really gonna do this. Oh my god.
Max is hyped up. So yeah, this is a really cool space. But I think in the past years we've looked at spaces before and not as serious. Max learned a lot, and I also learned a lot about cafes and things and operations a little bit more in the past year, and there's still so much more to learn.
Oh, there's
so we have no idea how to even approach this, but you know what? It's always good to look and start and see get something. So we shall see. I was going to cook tonight. I had bought ingredients. I was so excited. I have rice ready, and I just got done so late. Even though I'd helped with packing, I had so much stuff to edit. So Max just picked up some sushi. We ordered from Katsunori, even though we're going to Japan tomorrow. It's actually funny because every time we go to Japan, we don't even eat that much sushi. We eat so many other things like soba and tempura, and I think that's definitely one of the misconceptions, that people think that you only eat sushi there. Okay, this looks really good. Yes, this looks so good. Yum. And then I'm gonna put some soy sauce there. A little ginger. Shall we sit there? Or?
You already finished this food? It's crazy good.
Yeah, I was so hungry. I got tuna, crab, lobster, and cucumber. So good.